Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make rice jollof. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need about 2 cups of long grain rice, 4 large ripe tomatoes, 2 red bell peppers, and 1 Scotch bonnet for that authentic kick. Also, have on hand 1 large onion, some tomato paste, and your favorite cooking oil. Make sure your kitchen tools are ready, including a good blender and a heavy-bottomed pot. Now, let's create the heart of our jollof, the sauce. Blend your tomatoes, red bell peppers, and Scotch bonnet until completely smooth. In your pot, heat about 1/4 cup of vegetable oil over medium heat. Add a finely chopped onion and sauté until it's soft and translucent, which usually takes about 5 minutes. Stir in 2 tablespoons of tomato paste and cook for another 5 minutes, allowing it to deepen in color and flavor. Next, pour your vibrant blended puree into the pot with the cooked tomato paste and onions. Let this simmer gently for about 15 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld beautifully. Now, add 2 cups of chicken or vegetable broth, along with your preferred spices like thyme, curry powder, and a bay leaf. Bring it to a boil, then stir in 2 cups of thoroughly washed long-grain rice. Ensure every grain is coated in that rich sauce. Finally, cover your pot tightly with a lid or even foil to trap all that steam. Reduce the heat to low and let it cook undisturbed for 25 to 30 minutes. Resist the urge to peek. Once done, turn off the heat and let it rest for another 10 minutes. Gently fluff the rice with a fork to release the steam and separate the grains. For a fresh car scent, check the description for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals. Enjoy your perfect jollof.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.